excited. Of course, there's one of them games you want to be part of, given the lineup they have, and you as an athlete want to go up against names like those. And also for Goan football and Indian football in general, it's a really good moment for them players who have played at the highest stage, who played at the World Cups, who played in many big tournaments. Them coming to Fatorda in Goa, I think it's massive for Indian football itself. And let's hope we have a good game and can put up a good challenge and come up with some points.
You are the wall of India. How do you feel to face the likes of international giants like Ronaldo, Mane, and Felix?
Oh, you enjoy, you look forward to playing against such talent, such players. Of course, playing against Cristiano is one of them. You can show not much excitement, you can show any emotion you want, but in general, to play against one of the greatest athletes of all time, if you get the opportunity, you must be humble and speak proudly about it. So if I get a chance, it'll be really good. But in general, as an athlete, you want to play against top players, so you test yourself how good you are. But if you want to do good against them, if I think I'm going to go alone and do wonders, I'll be punished in every ball because it's all about playing as a team, playing as a unit. How good our back line, how good our midfield, we as a team in general perform, that will make me look good, and me doing my best will make the team look good. So it's how that's connected. Let's make a night to remember together.